Rightio guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's adventure we're doing a bit of a unboxing and product review. So due to the current economic climate, we've decided to invest in a money toaster. So in the box it came with the toaster itself and then a warranty or guarantee card that we're going to have to fill out and then send away. And then it came with the operating instructions, which is pretty vague, so we're going to have to just play around with it and yeah, see how it works. So yeah, because the instructions are pretty vague, I guess we just start it out on one and we get our slice of bread and we I guess load it in there and push the button and see what happens. Oh geez, did you see that? Wow, a crisp $5 note. Wicked. Sweet. Oh, well, what a good investment. Oh, well, I guess we'll try it on a few more settings and see what else pops out. Rightio. Yeah, so setting one was a crisp $5 note, so we'll chuck in another slice of bread. We've turned it all the way up to 3. So yeah, we'll put that in and see what happens. Whoa, geez, look at that. Wow, that's a crisp 20. Sweet, what a good investment. We didn't pay much for this toaster, but man, it's sort of paying for itself already. Oh, well, let's grab another slice of bread and we'll, I think, I don't know, we'll turn it up to 5 this time and see what happens, eh?
No, 4.
Oh no, we'll pace ourselves. We'll just go to 4. See what happens.
Seems better. Like, let's not overdo it.
Yeah, rightio. Oh, jeez. Well, hey, we're onto a winner here. A nice crisp 50. You ripper. Oh well, I reckon now we turn it all the way to the max and we'll see what pops out of this thing. Rightio, here we go. Another slice of bread. Chuck that in. Away we go. Hey! Hey! Oh no, it's dropped down in there. Bugger.
No, we'll just have to get a knife.
Rightio, give me a knife, darling. We'll fish this puppy out.
Did it jump over?
Oh my gosh.
Tip it upside down.
Oh, there we go. Way, a nice crisp Rutherford. Rightio. With all this money making ability, I think we should probably spend it on some 4-drive parts. Well, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next adventure. If you want to get yourself one of these toasters, I'll have a link in the bio.
Bought a little crooked toaster, it started making gold for free. I fed it crumbs and no receipts, it coughed up change in a row. Now the whole front porch is shining from the tips that started slow. Every little coin said go, every little spin said more. I kept my hand on the handle and heard that lucky floor. Cha-ching, cha-ching, money making money. Cha-ching, cha-ching, how it runs so funny. Turn it over, watch it sing, pocket full, bell ring. Cha-ching, cha-ching, my little cash machine.